What's up, everybody?
So I'm here waiting for my cousin Brian. The one bar right here.
Alright, so today we're gonna be heading out to Perfection Auto Collision and Repair or Restoration. It's my boy Jesse's shop. It's out in Torrance, so we're gonna go head down there. I need to talk to him a bit about some projects that I need to be worked on. So we're gonna start with this one and this one. I don't know if I told you guys, but I'm planning to get a wrap. In order to get a wrap though, we need some body work done because this car has like 3 layers, man. It has like the wrap, it has like black primer, and then it has the OEM paint and some other bullshit. So we need to make sure that everything is nice and you know, straight one layer. That way when they apply the wrap, the other body shop, when they apply the wrap, it's just clean and ready to go. Because if I take the car right now to get a wrap, it's gonna peel within 2 weeks. So man, look at this sick ass floor. What's up, puppy? Sheesh. What's up, my boy? Hot in here, bro. Look at this one. We're like 3 deep in this thing. Damn, sick ass fool.
Like,
in a cup?
Yeah.
Oh.
Is that the luxury?
Bro, victory, bro.
Is it like for this one?
We made it, man. Virtually on E, man.
Woo! Oh man, it's hot as balls, bro. Woo! I believe Jesse said to give us a second, so to give him a second. So which one you like, fool?
Me personally?
Yeah.
This one, cause she looks straight up Latina done.
Hey, how bad is this shit from a level 1 to 10?
Ah, fool, it's fucked.
Bro, hella fuck, fool. Oh, bro.
You got them fucking autos, those bands.
Hey, no, it had a hood vents. Shit thought it was a Subaru or some shit.
Yeah, you even got the fucking hood risers on it
Yeah.
without the risers. But this is like the roof though before.
Dude, it had a carbon fiber wrap on here, Papa.
Yeah.
It was a McLaren, Papa.
Yeah.
Oh, bro. So look, check it out. So this car, I got a lot of shit that I want to do. So this car, first off, I wanted to get this thing wrapped. I never thought those words would come out of my mouth.
Wrap?
Yeah. Now,
Damn.
the only reason why I say that is because it's just gonna be doing some fast boy shit. So I don't want to throw. Huh?
Then wrap it.
Exactly. So that's why I don't want to get paint, and I know myself already. If I get a fresh paint job, I'm gonna be about it already with a rock chip and shit like that. You get me?
Yeah.
So that's why I'm like, well, this with Jesse, I'm like, if they can prep the body and shit and sand it down all the way, then that'd be perfect.
Realistically, since you're going about it that way,
Mm-hmm.
I would say try to find someone that does the fucking, what's that shit called? Sandblasting.
Sandblasting, okay.
Yeah, sandblast the whole fucking car.
All right. Now let me ask
It'll
you.
be cheaper for you.
Yeah. Now let me ask you, how much will you charge to just paint it black, shiny ass black?
That's
Like the cheapest,
Look, by judging everything that's down here, though.
Uh-huh.
I'm scared to find out what the fuck's under all this shit.
Fuck, fool. I don't
Scared to
even,
find out.
bro. I'm pretty sure some up shit.
So
Look.
my personal opinion, new hood. New
Oh, I
fenders.
have a new hood.
New hood,
Fenders.
new fenders, new bumper.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, cause
Pinche grill, doesn't even have a grill here.
it's aerodynamic for the turbo. Though.
Uh,
Let me see, open it up.
Yeah, oh, fool, you don't even want to see this shit. Hold on, someone hold it, bro. This shit's gonna be fun. That shit was like that. I just been continuing the legacy and shit because I need to get like new hood pins and shit.
Yeah, this feels really sweet.
Oh, you're not ready. Oh. Oh shit! I haven't even have my little oil leak on the back.
It's a Honda fool. What the fuck?
Oh, Papa.
Well, that's not a little oily, dog.
Hey, no, fool. It's because I haven't cleaned. It's because look, so the freaking thread insert, it didn't see all the way down. So it's just it's just oil leaking from here, but everything else, está calado.
I'm surprised the U.S. government hasn't trying to make this shit. There's a lot of fucking oil.
Hey, repo is gonna get a repo, Papa. Elsewhere it doesn't leak.
What are you doing for? But this is the sketchiest shit you've actually owned.
Yeah, bro, this shit is left. Bro, I don't even want to tell you about the rest of the shit that I've seen here. Oh yeah, all stickers everywhere, bro. The more you look, the more
These are all
stickers
stickers?
Bro, it's all stickers. Look at this shit here. Look, stickers here, stickers here. Look down there, and the generator support.
You said his primo had it?
Yeah.
Was it a fucking 5-year-old?
I don't know, fool. This fool just fucking sticker blasted this shit.
When's the last time that shit was registered?
Well, it's
Before
already-
you.
Yeah, I don't know. If I were to take out everything of it to paint it, this shit would be a fucking eyesore. That's like giving my liver, my arms, and my
firstborn también, güey.
Ay, güey.
So yeah, first things first, ready to support too, bro.
Yeah, bro, this shit is. Well,
Very
yeah, look, it was
smart,
welded. You can tell that it was welded chicken shit. Fuck, right here.
Oh no, my Civic was worse. No?
The bubble gum?
Yeah,
No way.
my Civic was worse. When I crashed it the first time.
If I buy the Raider support, can you guys weld it in and stuff?
Yeah, we could get it done. Fool.
Alright, cool.
We have a frame machine and everything. Like.
Oh, okay. Well, see, so this car,
This is what's really bothering me, fool.
that shit, what's
Yes.
happening there?
You see how it's all wrinkled up?
Oh, fuck.
This is all wrinkled up because this shit was crashed in the front though, bro.
Yeah. No, yeah, the minute I saw this, I'm like, dude, this shit was in an accident.
Yeah, this shit was all wrinkled up. So this shit all wrinkled up. So I'm pretty sure that impact actually came all over.
Thank you, bro.
We make our paint in house.
God damn, papa. Sheesh. You guys got all the computer and everything, all to OEM spec. No, pues no mames, güey. You guys have it perfect here.
Yeah.
How much for the tires?
Shit. We got 2 spray booths right here.
2?
Yeah, so we got one on each side, bro.
Damn.
Yeah, this is our main production one right here. Look, it's a main production booth, spray booth.
Yeah.
That's the one that stays on and off all day.
Shit, bro.
I got one of my clients.
Damn, who's...
76.
God damn. How's it going, boss? Good, good. What's up, bro?
Always one of the owners here, bro.
What's up?
¿Cuál quieres de la cajuela?
Jefe, which one's your favorite? ¿Cuál es favorito?
La chinita, bro.
¿La chinita? ¿Esa? Oh, man. ¿Y el hood, jefe? ¿El sticker favorito?
¿Lo agarraste o qué?
Así lo agarré. Así lo agarré. Como está ahorita, así lo agarré.
A ver, te voy a decir cuál es mi favorito.
A ver. Too many options.
Porque este me queda mica.
¿Ese?
Sí, yo odio los pinches.
If it's
semáforos,
too-
cuando
if
me
it's
pasan
too
por
loud,
un
you're
lado
too
del
old.
carro le digo, chingue tu madre. Chingue ese.
Oh, man.
Yeah,
It's dented right here,
yeah,
right?
it's all dented up. It's all pretty much crumpled up.
Yeah.
It's crumpled up. Actually, this frame was actually opened up a little bit more than this side.
Then that side, on the passenger
Well,
side?
Actually, it's a little bit more opened up.
Yeah.
Yeah, just with the finish.
Yeah.
Because the doors are the ones that have to fucking wrap on. That's where it's really gonna be a bitch.
And bro, the whole car had wrap, bro. You know how long it took me to get the wrap off?
Huh? You got a pretty clean car. That shit was just crashing in the front then.
Damn. So it just got crashed in the front?
Yeah, ese
That'd be it.
So no tiene bando ahora?
Eso, mira,
No? Órale.
que es una buena seña.
That's good.
Yeah, sometimes we hear the hollow ass thump.
No way. Damn.
Aquí, pero como este es sólido.
El pillar. Sí.
Pero aquí en las puertas, oyes.
Ya. Así se tiene que oír.
Si se oyera aquí, así como aquí, si se oyera así,
Ajá.
está lleno de banda.
De bando, wow.
Igual puedes agarrar un magnet. Agarras un magnet aquí,
Mhm.
que te lo llevas y tú vas a mirar
Sí.
dónde tiene más. Los vatos que van a los car shows siempre atrás que traen un magnet aquí.
Oh, yeah? Cuando lo chequean? Oh, shit. That's crazy. A full, what's it called? A Bondo body. I forgot there's like
Bondo
a term.
King?
Bondo King. There you go. Bondo King. This one's crazy, fool. ¿Cómo está, jefe? ¿Cómo está? Bien, bien. ¿Cómo está, jefe? Bien, bien. ¿Cómo está? ¿Cómo está? Bien, bien. ¿Cómo está? Bien.
Este vato, ¿te acuerdas? ¿Tú miraste el carro antes o no?
No, no,
Ese era el
no
color
creo que...
traía, mira.
No way. What year's the Chevelle?
Well, I think it's like a 67.
Sheesh. This FT2 is sexy, fool. It's on some JDM shit for reals. You said it had a JDM front conversion too? No mames, way. Sheesh.
Just want extra little extra work done.
Yeah. Damn, got the work wheels on there.
Yeah, that's just from bumper right there.
I thought you said my front bumper. I was like, hey, fool. Damn, fool.
That's an actual new OEM fan, like new OEM.
No way. I saw it on my bro. Shit looks clean, bro. I tried to clean my shit, and my shit never came out that clean, fool.
Yeah, this is new one, dog.
Yeah. Hey, fool, I was telling these fools that when I bring the Z back, I'm probably gonna throw ITBs or some if I find bikinis, fool. I know, fool. Well, you're gonna be the RB. I'll be like, that's the homie right there.
I encourage everybody to do RB.
That's the one that does the RB spot.
Nah, if I'm being honest with you, I would have. If I could have kept the 28, I would have done it.
You would have done it,
Yeah,
fool.
I would have just got the fucking 3.0 block.
Pinche huevos, fool.
Let me show you the fucking. What's fucking cool?
Yeah, hell yeah, bro.
Old school ass 80s repairs and shit, dog.
Hey, this is the one that's me gapping everybody, huh?
Yeah.
Hey, what's your homie? Fuck. Sheesh.
So there goes that purple you've always wanted to see, dog.
Pinche Kool-Aid purple, fool. Some great purple.
Yeah.
And food even smells like a Z, fool. Fool, that's crazy. Hold up. Bro, this thing even smells like a freaking Datsun, fool. Hey, you have speakers in the freaking rear quarter panel?
Yeah, the old owner had them.
That's badass. Hey, bro, doesn't it smell like the fucking 280? Smell it, fool. Doesn't it smell like the 280? All right?
It's like that carpet smell.
Yeah.
Got fucking water in this shit. Let me pull this shit up from right here.
Yeah.
I did a Bluetooth motor delete.
A Bluetooth motor delete this, fool. Waiting for connectivity.
Yeah, I that shit said pairing failed. I was like,
That's crazy. The engine be actually isn't that big.
Nah, fool.
you would think, fool, but the fact that they put LS's in this bitch, and it's crazy.
Yeah, bro.
So right now the current process of this shit is pretty much, I started pretty much stitch welding this shit, but I haven't been working on this shit, so I left it alone. I
Yeah.
primed it over for the meantime.
Yeah.
But pretty much just cover all these fucking lines up.
Mm-hmm.
Do the lower frame rails, the reinforced ones.
Mm-hmm.
I have a full Apex front kit for this shit.
Pinche baller, fool.
Yeah. I got a fucking fuel cell for this shit now too. It's a fucking 12-gallon one, the one that goes in the spare tire.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna have that shit hidden in the back.
Mhm.
That's actually a piece of Bondo that was on the quarter panel right there. Fool.
This one, fool.
Yeah.
God damn, fool. You told me this was a false, I would have believed you.
Dog.
Damn.
I'm talking about, look, let me even show you where it belongs to, though.
No, mames, wait, that's crazy.
In this fucking section right here, fool. Like right here.
That's crazy, bro.
So the fact that it was even Bondo like this, dog, this was really bothered the fuck out of me. I mean, I was bothered at the fact that shit repaired it.
Yeah.
I knew it was T-bone and shit.
Hey, fool, you got a little more here.
Fuck, I need to. So here's the shit. So my body man, he's fucking old school as fuck. He's like, I told him I could get the whole quarter panel. He's like, nah, fuck that. He's like, top section's fine. He's like, just get the lower section. I told him because I told him I could get the dog leg, I could get the fucking panel, the rocker panel, and this like this little section that goes right here. He's like, just get the dog leg. So pretty much I mashed up the dog leg. Fucking fits perfect from right here to the bottom.
Yeah.
And the rocker panel goes all the way over
Yeah.
there. And the little B section pillar goes here. He's like, as long as you get that, he's like, I'll work the fucking rest.
Damn, fool.
So we're gonna work the rest. I got the flares right here too.
I fool le está dando verga, bro. That's crazy,
So
fool.
this is the front.
The rear, the bigger ones.
So bam.
Papa. To put down all that power and all those tires.
Pretty
fool.
much.
Oh, I can't wait, Papa.
Everyone said that I cut this shit up. I'm like, bro, it's salvage title anyways.
Do a mid-rear engine, fool, if you wanted to do
I'm
it.
already fucking, how much is the fucking RV?
Damn, fool. Nah, but it's just gonna be clean, bro. Hey, you know what? You're gonna enjoy it. We're gonna appreciate this shit like a mother. You already are. You already are.
I enjoy looking at the shit every day, dog.
I'm telling you,
I get to see my shit. I was like, alright, that's enough.
You know? It's just gonna be bad. It's gonna be one of the cleanest ones, fool.
Then I got this one. So I'm gonna swap the 245s to the rear and I'm gonna put 275s in the back.
Sheesh, the buzz tires, Papa.
Oh, I gotta make sure this bitch hooks.
Hell yeah, you don't want spinning. Sick ass, fool. Hey, what's your homie's name? The one with the 300ZX?
Craig?
You're gonna gap that fool?
I can't get my own builder, though. That fool's the one that helped me build my motor. That fool gave me the recipe. That fool just told me, get this, get that.
No way.
I was fucking like, alright, boom.
I saw that fool at the Carson Coffee. And I was like, the only reason I know this fool is because of Jesse. And now, bro, that shit is Clean, bro. I just saw the lobes on the camshaft that he has to hold the hood up.
And those are off the fucking 25 he had.
No way.
The ones on the fucking RB30.
They're like even bigger.
They're big. The Kelfords. They're big ass fucking cans.
Full looks like bigger than a fuck. Yeah, it looks like a
about to fucking die.
Looks like a bamboo stick.
I'm surprised they even make them. I'm like, yes,
yeah.
Make them. So it turns out that fool actually makes nothing but Volkswagen parts beforehand too.
Are you serious?
Yeah,
damn.
He makes all the restoration parts like panels and shit.
That feels like an RWB for the Porsche, but for the fucking Z's now.
Type shit like that. Fool.
Yeah.
He's that fool's he just has some really good shit.
That's crazy, bro. Oh yeah, that part, bro. That shit from Florida.
Yeah.
Sick ass fool. Let me see which one of those frames you have. No mamas, bro. I think we have the same frame those fool.
Yeah, these shits are fucking beefy, dog.
I think we have the same ones, fool. I'm gonna send you a
Cap
picture.
Metalworks, no?
Huh?
Cap Metalworks?
That sounds familiar.
I got it from fucking Apex, but
it's
Cap
been
Metalworks and Apex, they actually do.
Sheesh, papa. All right, man. We're done talking with Jesse, man. Jesse, man, that fool's big, homie, man. I'll give you guys a little update once I get back to the house. I'll kind of explain to you guys like a little scope of what we're talking about, kind of summarize it for you guys a bit. But yeah, we just pumped gas right now. We're gonna head back home. Yeah, we're gonna carry on with the plans for today. So I'll catch you guys back at the house. Fool has his water right there. Fool's eating chips right there. Look at that fool. Alright guys, I'm about for Wowings here. I'm gonna do the outro video. So to give you guys a little summary of what Jesse and I were talking about, we were basically just kind of stating the plan for plan. So first things first, he recommended me to take the single cam Civic to a place that sandblast, just get it completely sandblasted. And then that way, once it's sandblasted, take it to Jesse and then they can prime it. And then from there, I can go take the car to the shop of my choice to get the wrap. And then we're talking about the EM1. I'll explain the things about the EM1 a little more later in another video. And also about another car that I'm pretty sure just a small percentage of you know, that I have a Datsun 280Z. So we are making a comeback on that video. On that car, sorry. So I'll be doing a full video about that, what it's, where it's standing, what I'm gonna do to it, and yeah. So we'll just leave it at that. But yeah, other than that, we're here with the homies here. We're gonna go eat. We're gonna eat some wings and then watch Scream. Thank you. And then freaking the UFC fight, fool. It was in England, right, at 2 p.m. So we missed that fight, bro. It totally floored my head. So it's all good. We're laughing at it. So yeah, so we're gonna wrap it up here, guys. Other than that, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Take care and peace out.